To use your PayPal debit card, you first need to have a PayPal account and apply for the debit card through their website. Once you receive your card, you can start using it to make purchases online and in stores, as well as to withdraw cash from ATMs. The PayPal debit card is linked to your PayPal account, so when you make a purchase, the funds are deducted directly from your account. If you have a balance in your PayPal account, you can use that balance to make purchases. If you do not have a balance, you can link a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account, and the funds will be drawn from that account. To make a purchase, simply swipe your card or enter the card information online, and the funds will be deducted from your PayPal account. You can also use your PayPal debit card to make contactless payments by holding your card near the payment terminal. When using your PayPal debit card, it is essential to keep track of your balance to avoid overdrafts or declined transactions. You can check your balance online or through the PayPal mobile app. It is also a good idea to set up notifications to alert you when a transaction is made or when your balance is low. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your PayPal debit card to withdraw cash from ATMs. There may be fees associated with ATM withdrawals, so it is essential to review the terms and conditions of your card before using it. To get the most out of your PayPal debit card, make sure to take advantage of the rewards and benefits offered by PayPal, such as cashback and purchase protection. You can also use the PayPal mobile app to track your spending, send and receive money, and manage your account on the go. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and effectively use your PayPal debit card to make purchases and manage your finances. Remember to always keep track of your balance, review the terms and conditions of your card, and take advantage of the benefits and rewards offered by PayPal.